Let's talk about hiking. Hiking is walking outside in nature. Most people go hiking in the mountains. Japan has many beautiful hiking trails. A trail goes up through the forest. The path can be steep in some places. Strong boots help you walk on rocky ground. Hikers carry water and snacks in a bag. You need plenty of water on a hot day. A map shows you the way to the top. Some hikers use a long walking stick. The weather can change quickly in the mountains. A light jacket is useful in the wind. Hiking is very good exercise for your legs. The air is fresh and clean. Tall trees give shade along the path. You can hear small birds in the branches. Streams run down between the rocks. Hikers stop to rest and eat lunch. The view from the top is wonderful. You can see the valley far below. Many people climb Mount Fuji in summer. Autumn is a popular season for hiking. The mountains are colorful in October and November. Hikers often say hello to each other on the trail. The walk down takes less time. A nice long rest feels great after a long hike.